If you think SelectSignal is just another crypto signal group, think again. We're not here for hype or pump rooms. What we've built is a true system with real structure, logic, and results. The market's flooded with alerts, from discords to Telegram pings. But most of them, they don't build skills. They don't teach structure. They give you noise, not tools. No backtests, no system, no path forward. Most platforms fail because they chase hype, not performance. No logic, no consistent structure. Just random signals, high risk, and no real way to grow. They leave traders stuck, confused, and guessing. At SelectSignal, we believe traders don't need more pings. They need purpose. With structure and clarity, you stop reacting and start trading with intent. This is the transformation. From scattered hype-driven alerts to structured, back-tested signal logic to full clarity, where every alert has a reason, a strategy, and a track record. A SelectSignal alert isn't just a trade tip, it's a full breakdown. You get the signal, the strategy it came from, and the performance data behind it. No guessing, just real logic, real numbers, real control. This isn't your average RSI or crossover alert. It's a full system signal built from trend filters, confluence logic, and timing rules. We prove it. We don't just claim performance, we prove it. Every strategy has full back tests, walk forward data, and risk metrics. You'll see the win rate, the drawdowns, and the results for yourself. This isn't for signal chasers. It's for real traders who want tools, not hype. We build systems that you can understand, trust, and grow with. Want to see how it really works? Download the free strategy guidebook. We'll walk you through the system, answer your questions, and help you build real trading edge.